In this video, I will share with you how you can learn and improve your time management skills. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Veronica. I'm a content creator and photographer, a founder of a modest activewear brand, Future Generation Apparel. I document and share my business journey along with its ups and downs, valuable lessons and practical advice to inspire women like me to pursue their passion, take action, and craft the life that they deserve. We never have enough time. Time is something that we can't control or create out of thin air. We have to learn how to manage it, otherwise it'll manage us. It's important to learn how to manage your time so you can take control of your life, be productive, and reduce the stress you get with inadequate time management. Time management is a process of scheduling your tasks so you can get your work done more efficiently. Time management training is something that you can do yourself. You can learn some valuable time management skills so you can organize your workflow and do more in less time. You can teach yourself skills and techniques that will help you manage your time effectively. And also learn how to avoid distractions and remain focused. So let's start with bulletproof tip number 1. Plan your day the night before. I know it's not always easy to plan your day ahead of schedule, but if you try and make an effort, I promise you, your life will be so much easier. And that will also give you more time to do tasks that are important for you, your business, and your family. When the night comes, don't just close your computer and go to bed. Take a few minutes to plan out the next day. Write everything you need to do on a piece of paper, put them in your phone, and schedule them in your Google Calendar. You will feel so relieved when you wake up in the morning knowing exactly what to expect and what needs to be done. The more organized and prepared you are for tomorrow, the less stressful it will be. You will have more sense of control of what is happening around you and in your life, and that will lead to better mood and productivity. I actually have an entire video where I walk you through the process of how I schedule my weeks and my days. It's a very practical video and it's a must watch if you're struggling with time management. That's the video. I'm gonna link it over here and I'm gonna link it in the description below. Bulletproof tip number 2 is limit social media distractions. We've all been there and we all struggle with it. We constantly scroll through our social media feeds, waiting to, get more information, see what's happening in the businesses that we are following, the content creators that we're following, and what is happening with our friends and family. There is so much information. We're very curious. We need to know. But how much of scrolling is too much? We can limit social media distractions by setting time limits on social media apps. That way, once the time is out, we can simply get back to our tasks and to things that need to be done, the more important things in life than social media, without feeling guilty or frustrated. We can also learn how to regulate ourselves by stopping for 1 minute when we realize that we've been scrolling on social media without any purpose or direction. Trust me, as soon as you learn how to limit your social media distractions, you will realize how much more time that creates in your day. And if you utilize this time properly, you can spend more time with your kids, you can get more work done in your business, you can do so much more beneficial stuff than simply scrolling on your social media feed. And a bulletproof tip number 3 is prioritize your work. It's very important to prioritize your work so that you actually work on the tasks that are very important first, rather than doing tiny meaningless stuff that don't actually move the needle in your business or push you towards becoming the best version of yourself. You can simply prioritize your work by splitting it into the 3 following categories. First of all, important and urgent. Then it's important and not urgent. And the third category is not important. After you're done categorizing your tasks, pick the most important and urgent ones to do first. Then you can move on to important, not urgent tasks. And only then, if you have some extra time, you can do some non-important tasks, or you can probably cross them out if they're not that important. Which brings me to tip number 4, challenge yourself and commit. Committing to time management is one of the best things you can do for yourself as a business owner. The benefits are so worth it. Being more productive in life and work, getting more done in less time, and overall being a happier person, just because you feel like you have a grip on your time and how you choose to spend it. Here are some tips that will help you create the habits that stick when it comes to time management. Start by breaking your goals into actionable, manageable tasks that you can slot into your to-do list and in your calendar. I actually have an entire video that will help you set your goals like a pro to make sure you can actually achieve them. I'm going to link the video over here. I'm going to link it in the description below. Check it out. Secondly, find something that will motivate you to stay on track, whether it's listening to a voice memo the first thing in the morning so you can remind yourself why time management is important to you and how crucial it is for you to stick to your schedule today and how much it needs to be done and what you can get out of it. Wear your favorite clothes, dress for success, and start your day with doing something that brings joy to you, whether it's going for a walk, having a cup of coffee in peace, reading your favorite book. Do something that makes you happy. And thirdly, create reminders of what needs to be done. Yes, it takes a little bit of planning, but seeing a reminder in the right space and time will actually encourage you to stick to your schedule. And that can be achieved with a good old Google Calendar. That way you will never forget an important task you need to do, and you will also know what next step you will take. Time management is all about being able to balance work and life efficiently and successfully. Time management will help you to maintain a healthy work-life balance so that you're not constantly tired, overworked, burnt out, which, I'm so guilty of. I tend to prioritize work above everything else. But if I put in, go for a walk or work out in my schedule, that definitely helps me have a bit of balance in my life. Also, if you bring a solid time management strategy and skills to your workplace, trust me, you just set yourself up for success. You become a very disciplined leader that can lead her business to new heights and success overall. The practices in time management are very simple, but they require you to be mindful. So you are the key to how successful of a time manager you can become. Take control. And also, time management is not about just being efficient. It's about creating more time for doing things that are very important to you. So the tips I've provided in this video will help you learn how to prioritize your work, stay focused, set better boundaries in your life and business, and ultimately create a happier version of yourself. If you found value in this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, comment below, let me know, share this video with someone who is definitely struggling with time management so they can up their game. Don't forget you can subscribe to my channel right here, and if you want to learn more from me, check out these videos over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you later.